Yeah, so Deshaun, it's being called a potential breakthrough in cancer treatment. Dr. Gian Vinelli of Rochester Regional Health tells me the vaccine is designed specifically for the patient's tumor. It hasn't been approved by the FDA yet, but Vinelli tells me results could mark a major step forward in personalized cancer care.
This is a true novel, targeted, personalized medicine, which is something very exciting.
Research shows melanoma is one of the most common and deadly cancers in the United States, usually developing from genetics or increased exposure from ultraviolet rays, leaving spots on the patient's skin, which Dr. Vinelli says can be difficult to diagnose.
They can start to grow in kind of irregular shapes on the body, and then eventually can bleed, or we call ulcerate, where it kind of opens up.
The cancer is usually treated with surgery if you catch it early enough, but if it goes unnoticed until the later stages, patients can undergo radiation therapy or even chemo. But Vinelli says this new advancement with mRNA cancer vaccine combined with immunotherapy treatment Keytruda can change how medical professionals treat melanoma entirely.
We're actually utilizing the body's own immune system and kind of targeting the cancer and telling, hey, immune system, come fight this. This is not normal. This is not right.
He tells me the way the treatment works is doctors get a sample of the patient's tumor and blood, then analyze the mutations and what he calls markers specific to that tumor. Once that's done, they'll take the markers and put them into a fat-soluble injection.
The patient injects that into themselves, and the body uptakes those mutation sequence and actually starts to produce those specific markers on the outside of the tumor, which then keys in the immune system. The immune system now is going to target those proteins, those markers on the outside of the tumor, and then attack that and attack the patient's cancer as well.
He says the results were impactful, saying patients had a 49% reduction in risk of dying over the next 5 years. And while this could help save the lives of countless people, Vinelli says there are still questions he'd like answered, like side effects and details on the price tag.
More is needed in terms of, my personal excitement. I mean, this is something where I'm sure it's going to, have a significant cost to it, but in situations where there's really no other option or that patients are really struggling, this will be a fantastic treatment.
And again, the FDA has not officially approved the treatment for widespread use, but Moderna and Merck plan on presenting their findings for review. Deshaun, back to you.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 on demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.